Kennedy Tower, Land Ecuador 1453.
Land Ecuador 1453.
Ecuador 1453, request return to the gate due to a passenger with a medical condition.
Land Ecuador 1453, roger. Let's see here. Make the left on Mike Charlie, a left onto runway 13 right, and then another left at Mike.
Left Mike Charlie, left runway 13 right, and left after Mike, Land Ecuador 1453.
And Land Ecuador 1453, if when you have a chance, if you could give me the information about the sick passenger, gender, age, nature of illness, and your gate information so I can pass that on.
Okay, standing by Land Ecuador 1453.
Roger. Land Ecuador 1453, you can make the left on Mike, right on Papa.
Left on Mike, right on Papa, Land Ecuador 1453.
And Land Ecuador 1453, any information on the passenger or at least the gate number?
The passenger is a female passenger, age 41. She is pregnant and have pain in the stomach.
Roger, okay, it's a female passenger, 41, pregnant and pain in the stomach?
That's affirmative.
Roger, do you have your gate information?
No yet, sir.
Roger, I'll call the port and see if they can get somebody out there for him.
And could you confirm it, is that right on Bravo?
Yes, make the right on Bravo.
Right on Bravo, Land Ecuador 1453.
Kennedy Tower, Land Ecuador 1453.
Land Ecuador 1453.
Westfed Gate Bravo 24 for Land Ecuador 1453.
Bravo 24, roger. I'm on the phone with the PD right now.
Okay, sir. I understand we should continue on Bravo, Land Ecuador 1453.
Land Ecuador 1453, yes, you can taxi to your ramp and Bravo and wherever you need to enter.
Okay, we are going to continue Bravo and Land Ecuador 1453.